everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys do not know who I am, hi, my name is Sabrina Isabel. My hair used to be longer. I just got cut my hair recently. What do you guys think about my new hair? I'm having like a little bit of a dry season moment on my nose right now because the weather is like super cold and my skin cannot take extreme cold weathers. Okay, so today's makeup look is based on, I just wanted to do something really different, which involves a halo eyeshadow look. I love you guys so much and we'll get this video started right now. Alright, so for brows, I'll be going in with the Forcallure eyebrow gel in the shade Ebony. So just go ahead, as you can see, I have a lot of like empty gaps in my brows, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fill that up. To seal it in, I'm going in with the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. So you can literally like use this for your eyelashes as well to seal in the mascara, but I do not use it, I just use it for the brows. So the very first shade that I'm gonna pick up is from the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. Huda Beauty has the best yellow shade in here. So I'm just gonna apply this all over the crease area and just blend this out. Okay, using the same brush, I'm gonna pick up the shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is called Hunts. So I find that it's giving me a very nice, beautiful orange for the look. So I'm picking up this shade. Just keep it at the crease area. Try not to go higher than that. Just keep it at the crease area and just blend it out. And then when there is a less product on your brush, you just, just go in circular motion upwards and just blend it out. So, you don't have any harsh lines and it blends out really beautifully with the yellow shade that you applied. And then going in with this shade called Royalty from the Jaclyn Hill palette, this purple shade right here. So I'm just gonna put this at the outer end. Just wiggle your brush just enough, and then you're gonna put this at the inner corner. Create that halo effect. So you find that it's not enough of product, you just go ahead and just top a little bit up. Just keep blending, take your time. I just got reminded of that Dory song. Just keep swimming. Okay, that is just, Sabrina, just stop it. I'm going to pick up the black, which is called Abyss, just a bit. And this is the part where it comes a little bit scary, is because you got to deepen the purple. We're going to put at the end, we're going to just really deepen it. And the inner corner. We don't want it to look black. Just blend it. Because the purple, as you can see now, this is purple and this is like almost like a plummy color, and I want it to be this plummy color. I don't have an eyeshadow look that gives me this color. That's the reason why it's an extra step. But if you do have like this plummy purple, then you straight away just go in with that plummy purple shade. I am going to cut my crease, a little bit of concealer, whatever concealer you own, it doesn't matter. Then I'll go in with this shade called Creamscicle. Creamscicle? Yes, Creamscicle. So just go ahead and take a little bit more of Royalty from the palette and you just blend it at the outer edges. And then I'm just picking up a little bit of the shade Enlight from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just gonna pack that in the center, guys. Just to give it a little bit more of a pop. I don't want it to be so sunset. And you just blend it outwards to the purple. And then now, with just the most simplest step of this entire look, is just blending out your lower lash line together with the top. So for the bottom lashes, I am actually using the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is the shade Hunt. We'll just blend that all over the bottom lashes. And then we're gonna go in with this shade called Soda Pop. It is not black, but is almost close to black, but it's not black. After doing this makeup look, my eyelashes went missing, guys. So for eyeliner, I'll be going in with the Sephora eyeliner in the shade Black. I'm gonna apply that to my lower and upper lash line. So for eyeliner, I'll be going in with the Maybelline and Hypersharp in the shade Power Black. Okay, so for lashes, I'll be going in with the Lily Lashes in the shade LUXE. So this is the pair that I got, which I found that the lash band was actually very thin. The lashes is actually on right now, as you can see. Yeah, I do like these lashes a lot. It's because it's very thin. It almost feels like I'm wearing the Adele lashes on my eyes. So for mascara, I'll be going in with the Superhero, and it's from Cosmectics. I'll just apply that to my top and bottom lashes. Contour my face, I'll be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills kit, and I'm picking up the shade called Earth right here. So I'm just picking up that shade and just going ahead and contouring my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, and of course my jawline. For blush, I'll be going in, this is the Urban Decay Afterglow blush in the shade called Bittersweet. And then right now, I'm actually going to go ahead and clean up my contour. For highlighter, I'll be going in with the Fenty Beauty highlighter. I'm going to pick up the shade called Mean Money, and then I'll be going in with my favorite highlighter, which is from Maybelline, and this is the Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. I'm loving this stuff so much, guys. I'm just gonna apply that over the Fenty Beauty highlighter. Oof, look at that. Look at that. A little bit on my nose, bridge of my nose, chin, cupid's bow. For lipstick, I'll be going in with a nude shade. I'll be going in with the MAC Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Whirl. You can just leave it as it is, or you can just go in with a lip topper. I'll be going in with the new one that I got, and this is from Catrice Cosmetics, and this is the Velvet Matte Lip Cream, just to go over it. To set everything onto my face, I'll be going in with the new Fresh Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water. Okay, this is a multi-purpose mist. You can use this to freshen up your face, you can use this as a primer, and you can also use this to set your makeup. So it's a multi-purpose spray. Yeah. So yeah guys, we are actually basically done. I truly hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
Thanks for watching the video. To watch the next one, click right here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here.